So today I want to show you how you can use the energy of a narcissist. We all know ukuthi kukhona abantu abafit ofa ngama-energies abanye abantu angithi. So leyo nto leyo ibalulekile ukuthi uyazi uma umuntu, because you find yourself reacting to a lot of things othola ukuthi manje azikusizi ngalutho. Ukureacta kwakho lokho akukusizi ngalutho. So uma ulentonja uyithulela nje uyasizakala okuningi, yabo. So namhlanje ngizokufundisa ukuthi how do you use the energy of a narcissistic person. Yabo, kodwa ke before singene lapho ngicela uku-emphasize lokho. Sonke siyayidinga i-energy, that energy of a person who's gonna show ukuthi is really concerned about us, yabo. Wonke umuntu uyayidinga leyo nto leyo, angithi. So if kuzoba khona umuntu oba khona empilweni yakho showing that is really concerned about you, even if that person come off negative, yabo, kodwa if you're gonna understand the fact ukuthi that person is doing whatever is doing because uconsent kahle kahle, hayi ngoba kunjanjani. Because if bengekho consent ubengeke azayibotherishe ngokuthi enze ama-reactions athize. So now you have to keep that into your mind, yabo. Umuntu onganandaba nawe can never be available ukuthi akunikeze ile nto nje i-concentration noma ke i-focus kuwena, yabo, even negative or positive. I'm sure you're getting my point. So into ke ebalekile la yokuqala iyona leyo nto leyo ukuthi wazi ukuthi if a person is spending an energy concentrating or focusing on you, whether negatively or positively, you should know that you are very important to that person, yabo. You are very, very important kulowo muntu loyo uma ngabe ekunikeza ile nto nje i-attention, yabo. So into esuke siyenzeke unknowingly or singanakile ile nto ukuthi si-react because we feel the energy of this person ukuthi no, the energy eza nayo lo muntu lona is not right, it doesn't serve me, it doesn't serve my purpose. So ugcina usu-react because you're trying to push that person away. So the trick engizokunikeza yona ke mina ukuthi no, don't, you know. This happens in every situation empilweni. Othola ukuthi you are around people who are not actually having this vibe or this energy that you are looking for. Kodwa lokho kusuke kungasho ukuthi kuzokucindezela. You know, like, one thing you have to understand is that usuke uzokhula, it's growth kahle kahle. So you don't really have to push anything away. What you have to do is you have to accept whatever it is that comes along your way, yabo, so that you can be able to grow beyond, yabo. One thing that happens when we are manifesting things, uthola ukuthi lezi zinto siyidingayo azenzeki kodwa kwenzeka the opposite. So the opposite things, they are here to ask you questions ukuthi are you really sure ukuthi you want this, yabo. So if you're gonna react to that, no, it's not what I'm looking for, it's not what I'm asking for, mina, no, bese uthatha iphatho ubheke eceleni, you know. Le phatho oyithathayo, it's the path that is going to lead you exactly kule nto ophuma kuyona, but on another form, or mhlawumbe ongeke uzoze understand ukuthi okay, this is actually what I was experiencing recently. So it is whatever it is that you are going through is meant to be there so that it can like make you grow, so that it can make you be a person that you want to be the person that you actually want to be, or be where you want to be, yeah. So using the power of a narcissistic or the energy of a narcissistic person is very simple. Just ignore that person. Shaya ngathi awuzwanga nje ukuthi utheni, yabo, because yena vele njengoba eza uzo-draina i-energy yakho ngokuthi wena wenze njani u-react to whatever it is that they are trying to like do kuwena yabo. So the very important thing is to like relax, shaye nje sengathi awuboni yabo. This is gonna help you. So bengithi ngisho lokho nje ngingaze ngimoshe isikhathi esiningi, ngisho lokho ukuthi you ignore, you relax, you know, they're gonna come and aglula yabo, and bayaphela amandla abo if you are not gonna react. Avela phele nya amandla abo yabo, ngoba babona ukuthi they cannot do anything when yabo, because you had that rock, you understand, you had that rock, that unshaken rock. So yeah, yo, ikona lokho nje bengithi ngifuna ukusho. So stay authentic, stay free. That's all.